Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a look in celebration of Mardi Gras. First I'm starting off by filling in my brows with the Bold Face Better Brows Pencil in the shade B7. After I've created a nice shape, I'm defining and cleaning up the shape with the Juvias Place iprep iprime eye primer. I'm also tapping this all over my lid to prime. This is very similar to the P. Louise base and doesn't need to be set before applying eyeshadow, so we're going right in with the purple shade called Candace from the Juvias Place Warrior 3 palette. I'm packing this onto the inner third of the eye all the way up to the brow using the Sigma Beauty E38 brush, and then I'm taking a clean Sigma Beauty E33 brush and using small circular motions I'm blending out the outer edges of this. For the outer half of the eye, I'm applying the green shade called Maasai using a Sigma E38 brush, and then I'm blending out the edges with a E35 brush. Once again, this is covering the entirety of the lid all the way from the lash line up to the brow.
But not if nothing that you did was truly for yourself. Breath of fresh air, blackout nights and promises of welfare. Starry nights.
Now I'm adding glitter with the ELF liquid glitter eyeshadow in 24K gold. I'm placing this onto the center of the eyelid in a triangular shape, and then I'm using my finger to tap and blend it out. This is such a beautiful glitter, it doesn't crease and it's very affordable as well. Now that we have all three of the essential colors for Mardi Gras, we're moving on to the face makeup and priming with the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Primer to add some hydration to the skin, and then I'm minimizing the appearance of my pores with the ELF Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation, I'm applying the City Color Be Nude foundation in the shade Nude 101 and pouncing this on with a damp ELF Total Face Sponge. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. Once that's blended in, I'm setting it with the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder using a slightly damp Mini Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm contouring with the Juvias Place Bronzer Palette in Light. First, I'm taking the Cool Tone shade on the Sigma F40 brush and applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, along my jawline and hairline. Then I'm adding a bit more definition to those areas with the Warm Tone shade using the Sigma F04 brush. I'm mixing the two shades to contour my nose, and then I'm highlighting with the Sigma Beauty Glow Kissed palette in the shade Golden Hour. For blush, I'm using the shade called Bronze Star from the for-de-Rosa palette by Sigma Beauty, and then I'm setting everything in place with the Kimchi Stage Proof Setting Spray. Back to the eyes now, I'm adding the green shade to the outer half of the lower lash line, the purple shade to the inner half, and the ELF liquid glitter eyeshadow to the center, just like we did earlier. After that, I'm setting my brows in place with the City Color Be Bold Brow Gel and adding the same highlighter to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm curling my lashes, applying the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, and popping on a pair of bold face lashes in the style Lash Goals. To finish off the eyes, I'm tightlining with the Juvias Place Nubian eyeliner pencil in the shade Kajal, which is black, and I'm also adding this to the waterline and smudging it out.
Not if nothing that you did was truly for yourself. Breath of fresh air, blackout nights and promises.
Finally, I'm lining my lips with the Illamasqua lip liner in the shade Raw and topping that off with the Sigma Beauty Brilliance lip gloss.
I'ma see it through the end, yeah. Ayo, call it Mardi Gras, that life a party, party hard. Everything I know from growing up said I'm gonna stay the same. Cause I always evolve, but the thing is I'll never change.
And that completes this Mardi Gras look. Are you excited for king cake and moon pies? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.